What's the meaning of chandelier? Chandelier. Chandelier.
Chandelier. Chandelier. A chandelier is a decorative lighting fixture that is suspended from the ceiling and typically features multiple branches or arms that hold light bulbs or candles. Chandeliers are often made of crystal, glass, metal, or other high-quality materials, and they are commonly found in grand public spaces such as hotels, theaters, and ballrooms, as well as private homes. The intricate design and impressive scale of chandeliers can make them a centerpiece of any room, creating a sense of elegance and sophistication.